In this video, we will see how to create a new database or how to create new item on the database. So let's log in first. Scan the barcode or key in the login ID. And minimize or close the EPOS page. Now, let's go to Excel Upload and click Import Database Excel. And now we're on the page where this is where we upload the created Excel file. So let's see how to create an Excel file. So we have a sample database which shows what are the areas we need to create and how to do it. So click on it to download the sample file. So now we have downloaded the sample file. Now there are a couple of important fields. The first one is item ID. This must be very unique and this should not be repeated, and if it does so, this will throw an error. And the second field is product description. This is where you write down what is the item, if it is iPhone 4 or iPhone 5, or it could be just a charging cable, USB lead, or a headphone, microphone. It could be anything. And what department it is in, and category, and what is the sale amount, what is the buy amount, and exchange amount, and if there is any special discount we want to apply on this particular item line. And whatever item amount that you're entering, this is the maximum anyone can do a discount. So this will give you a very good security, not your employee going on and offering more discount than you actually set. And the accessories line, this controls how many number of accessory labels that you wanted to create. And the next one is item ID equal to serial number. This means if the item ID is equal to serial number, will be used only for video games and DVDs, mainly of those sorts. The item ID is as good as the serial number at the back of the box. So majority we will be say no on this area. So only if the item ID equal to serial number, then we click or we write down yes. So mostly we say no. And a warranty, here you enter how many number of days or month or a year you wanted to give warranty, and here VAT charges if there is anything applicable. Now let's create a new line. So we want to create Apple iPhone 6, for example. So APP for Apple, for iPhone 6, say it's a black color. Actually, I want to mention the size of the iPhone 6. Say 16 GB. And now I want to mention the network. say if it is unlocked, UNL, and here at the end I want to mention grade A, B or C. So start with A. So now I've created a unique ID for this particular line. Now I want to enter the product description. Now next is department. Remember, department and category must be unique. Say category is Apple. And sale amount, let's call it £520. And buy amount, if you want to buy from customer, say £290. And if the customer wants to sell this particular phone and then buy something else, so you would like to offer more to the customer, so let's offer the customer say £330. And now here you're declaring how much special discount anyone can apply on this particular line. So sale price is 520, and if you enter £20, that means no one can give a discount more than £20 on this particular line. So the maximum discount can be applied is 20. So therefore the sale, you're controlling the sale of this particular line is only 500. And which of course it can be edited later on. Now accessories label, I wanted to give 2. So item ID equal to serial number, you say no, because this particular any phones that you talk about will have an IMEI number or a serial number. So item ID is never equal to serial number. So I say no. And warranty, say 1 year. For example, you can put 30 days or 2 months or 1 day. It's up to us. And VAT charges, say 20%. Put 20. And now that's it. I've created one line. Now I want to create the same line for grade B, and grade C. So change the last word to B, and this one C. That makes this particular line unique. And again, I do the same changes here. And I change the prices, of course. As the grade goes down, the price does also goes down. Please remember, this is only for a guideline. You can change it according to whatever the prices that you want to. Now created Apple iPhone 6 16 GB, black, unlocked, grade A, B and C. So now if you want to copy the same and paste again for Vodafone, you can choose so. So let's do that. So without having to type the entire thing, I'm just finding and replacing it. It's much easier. Now you can change the prices as you wish. And that's it. I've created again unique line of ID and a description which is matching to that. And now I want to take this off. This is only for reference explaining it. Now save as. Now save this file on a desktop. Now let's go back to the software. Click Browse. Select the item. Now I tap sheet 1. The reason I type sheet 1 is because this particular database that we created, it is on sheet 1. So we're calling the sheet 1. You may have a couple of sheets. So whatever sheets that you want to upload, you want to mention that sheet number. And click Import Excel. That's it. Data successfully imported. So you can carry on creating a big Excel file, whatever the number that you want, and click Upload. In one shot, all the lines will be uploaded. Thank you.